How to fix Snapchat camera not opening. Let's get started. Force close and reopen Snapchat. So launch it. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close it, and again relaunch it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check camera permissions. For that, launch settings. Navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find Snapchat. Launch it. Now enable for the option camera. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few minutes, and then again enable it. This might fix your issue. Next, restart your phone. Power it off, wait 10 seconds, power it back on. Test Snapchat camera. Next up, completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the Snapchat app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Then navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Snapchat, and then install it. If none of these solutions work, you'll need to check your storage. So close this, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. Here you're gonna find the list of apps. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Once you have enough storage, your problem might be fixed. So these are some fixes for Snapchat camera not opening. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.